the size of components I'm dealing with. These are my tweezers that I'm using. And of course there's an example, that's my finger. That's resting on the table that I'm working on. Now I'm going to put my board in view. And that's the components right there. This is a 1206 component here. That's the size component for SMD soldering. These are resistors. Then these are capacitors. This is a 0806 size component. And this is a same size component but in resistors. And then over here we have a size 0603. This is 0805 size over here. Over here is a 0603 size resistor. This is a 0603 resistor. And these over here are 0402, which is the smallest component I'm dealing with, capacitor. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in and start my soldering practice. I'm going to try it about right there. Okay, this is R65. I need to grab that component. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my soldering iron and I'm going to put a little bit of soldering. This is solder. It's standard flux core solder. And I'm going to put a little bit of solder on my iron. Got a little bitty bead there. Alright, I'm going to grab a component. And that's all it takes. Okay, I'm just going to tack them down first, then I'm going to come back and solder them. And then reflow them with the heat gun. Alright, then we're going to place R67, which is right here. Alright, got to put a little bit more solder. place an R68. Alright, now we're going back and we're going to place R50 right here. Okay, we got R52.